Out on a ride, getting stranded due to an electrical failure would be really disappointing. This can be avoided by thoroughly checking the electrical components of your motorcycle before riding out. Let's go through each of them and check for their readiness. You will need the following tools for this activity: a fuse plucker, a screwdriver. These are available in your motorcycle toolkit. To start with, let's inspect the electric start and kill switch for a smooth start and stop operation. Insert the key into the ignition and check if the instrument cluster is properly connected. Now turn the kill switch on and press start the motorcycle. The switch should move smoothly. Keep the motorcycle running to check idling stability. It should keep running smoothly. Once you are satisfied, turn off the kill switch and take the key out. Now let's take a look at all the lamps and their control switches. Turn on the headlamp. Check the beam direction by alternating the switch on your left hand. They should change seamlessly. If you need to modify the beam direction, locate the screw under the headlamp and adjust it with a screwdriver to achieve the required beam direction. Press the indicator switch on the left-hand side and check the left-hand side trafficator lights on, front and rear. Do the same with the right-hand side lights as well. Now press the rear brake to check if the tail lamp is working as you press the brake. Press the horn button to check if it is working fine. The sound should be loud and clear. Now it's time to inspect the fuse box. Switch off the motorcycle and take out the key from the ignition lock. Now open the right-hand side panel lock with the key and gently pull it out from the lug and place it safely on a clean and soft surface to avoid scratches. Open the fuse box lid. The box has both the fuses in operation as well as the spare ones. With the fuse plucker, gently pull out all the fuses one by one for detailed inspection. Look for the broken wire to detect if the fuse is blown. If you find one, replace it by the respective spare fuse which is available in the fuse box. Put it back in its place using your fingers. Press it firmly. Close the fuse box. Locate the right-hand panel lugs and press them firmly and lock the panel. It is recommended to visit a Royal Enfield service center near you to restore the consumed spare fuse. With this, we have checked all electrical components of your motorcycle. If there is any issue with any of them, please visit a Royal Enfield authorized service center near you to get it fixed before you set out for your next ride. Ride safe!